Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Mumu and your GPU drivers are current because outdated software causes stutter. Once done, close heavy background apps to free CPU and RAM. You need those resources for Roblox. Next, run Mumu as administrator and switch Windows to high performance so the OS won't throttle your hardware. These steps address the most common causes of lag quickly, and they let you proceed to an emulator adjustments with the best possible baseline performance. Now you focus on emulator tuning. Choose Performance Engine and assign 2 or 4 CPU cores based on your processor. More cores help, but don't overcommit. Increase Mumu's RAM to between 1.5 and 3 GB so Roblox has breathing room. Then test rendering modes. Try DirectX, then OpenGL because one may be faster for your GPU. Finally, lower resolution to 960 by 540 or 1280 by 720. Finish by disabling VSync inside Mumu and choosing the renderer that matches your GPU. This reduces input lag and frame drops. Inside Roblox, lower graphics quality, turn off shadows and high-res textures, and set draw distance lower to cut CPU and GPU load. If you still have lag, clear Mumu's cache, try a different emulator to isolate the issue, or roll back recent updates. If nothing helps, reinstall Mumu. That often resolves corrupted configs that cause persistent stutter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.